Hey guys, it's Keira here, and today I'm doing this matte burgundy eye and matching lip tutorial. I really wanted to show you guys how to get a look using one of our Beauty Bento eyeshadows without using the shimmer shades, because you can easily get any matte look you want using the shades inside of them as well. So if you want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking a little bit of Don't Settle concealer and applying it onto my lids just to even out the color on my upper lids. Then I'm going to be taking the lightest shade from the Glowing Guava Beauty Bento eyeshadow trio and applying it directly to my crease. Then I'm going to be taking the dark burgundy shade from the Glowing Guava trio and applying it to my outer crease. Then I'm going to take a small pencil brush and then go lightly under the lower lash line in the lightest shade from the Glowing Guava Beauty Bento eyeshadow trio. Then I'm going to take that burgundy shade again and on a small flat brush, just lightly define my lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with my Don't Settle concealer and just clean up my under eye. Then I'm going to set my under eye with a little bit of translucent powder, and I like to use like a lightweight one with no color just to set my under eye. So then for my liner, I'm going to be using our Wing Stamp eyeliner set. I really like this when I don't have a lot of time, but I really want to make sure that my wings are symmetrical, because sometimes I'll be focusing more on making them symmetrical than actually heading to where I'm supposed to be. Then once my stamps are on, I'm going to finish the rest of my liner with the felt tip pen. Now that my mascara and lashes are on, I'm going to take Don't Settle concealer in the shade number 8 just to give myself a little bit of contour. And for blush, I'm going to be using our Mochi Pop Bouncy Blush in the shade Atmosphere, and I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it with my fingertips. And for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with Mochi Glow highlighter in the shade Luna. I really like this shade just because it goes really well with my skin tone, and I'm again applying it with my fingertips to high points of my face and down the bridge of my nose. And for my lips, I'll be going in with Cushy Vibe lip stain in the shade Chiffon, which I think will go really nicely with the Glowing Guava eye. And I really like when my lips tie in with the rest of my makeup. And this is my complete look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more tutorials from me. Again, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.